truth when nobody's looking for truth in the youth. Life isn't a choice, so who are we to say what's void? Then Malala gave a voice to me, cause I am alive.